Good morning, dear students. Welcome to this science class. Today we continue our discussion on chapter 1, that is nutrition in plants. Today let us discuss the questions and answers. First, let us discuss the exercise questions. The first question is, why do organisms take food? All living organisms require food. Plants prepare their food and acquire nutrients from abiotic components like soil, air, water, and sunlight. But animals, including humans, cannot. They get it from plants or animals that eat plants. The nutrients enables living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies, and provide the energy to carry out life processes. Second question, distinguish between a parasite and a saprophyte. Saprophytes, the mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrients in solution form from dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Plants which use saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called saprotrophs. Example, fungi. Parasites, the non-green plants which live on other living organisms and obtain their food from them are called parasitic plants. For example, Cuscuta, Ammervale. Third question, how would you test the presence of starch in leaves? Answer, take two potted plants of the same kind, keep one of the pots in the dark room for 72 hours and the other in sunlight. Perform the iodine test with the leaves of both the plants as given below. Take one leaf from each of the plant, soak the leaf in boiling water for a little while to soften the leaf and to make the leaf more permeable to iodine. Remove the leaf from the boiling water and soak in the alcohol for a few minutes to remove chlorophyll from the leaf. Take out the leaves from the alcohol and put few drops of iodine solution on each of the leaves. Blue-black color will be offset on the leaves of the plant kept in sunlight, which indicates the presence of starch. Blue-black color will not be offset on the leaves of plants kept in the dark room. This indicates the absence of starch. Fourth question, give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in green plants. Green plants synthesize their food themselves by the process of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water are necessary to carry out this process of photosynthesis. The synthesis of food in plants occurs in leaves. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores called stomata present on the surface of the leaves. The leaves have green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll containing cells of leaves in the presence of sunlight use carbon dioxide and water to synthesize carbohydrates. During the process, oxygen is released. The carbohydrates ultimately get converted into starch. The process can be represented as an equation: carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight is converted to carbohydrates and oxygen is released. Question number 5, shown with the help of a sketch that plants are the ultimate source of food. Here you can see the diagram. Chlorophyll present on the leaves captures sunlight. Carbon dioxide from the air is taken in through the stomata present on the surface of the leaves, and plants prepare food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. And the plants are eaten up by the herbivorous animals, and the herbivorous animals are eaten up by the carnivorous animals. When these plants die, they are decomposed by decomposers. So the fill in the blanks questions. Green plants are called dash since they synthesize their own food. So they are called autotrophs. Second question, the food synthesized by plants is stored as dash, starch. Third question, in photosynthesis, solar energy is absorbed by the pigment called dash, chlorophyll. During photosynthesis, plants take in dash and release dash gas. So during photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Name the following. A parasitic plant with yellow, slender and branched stem. So the answer is Cuscuta. A plant that is partially autotrophic, that is pitcher plant. The process through which leaves exchange gases. The pores through which leaves exchange gases is called stomata. Tick the correct answer. Cuscuta is an example of parasite. The plant which traps and feeds on insect is pitcher plant. Now match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2. Now chlorophyll, of course, present on the leaf surface. Nitrogen, rhizome, because rhizome bacteria are able to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Cuscuta is a parasitic plant. Animals are heterotrophs. Insects, so pitcher plant catches insects. So true or false questions. Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. It is wrong. Fourth, the answer is false because oxygen is released during photosynthesis. Plants which synthesize their food are called saprotrophs. That's also false. Plants which synthesize their food are called autotrophs. So it is false. So the product of photosynthesis is not a protein. It is true only. The product of photosynthesis is starch. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. The answer is true. Choose the correct option from the following. Which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? The answer is stomata. Then, second question. Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their answer is leaves. So this is all for today's class. The next class we will discuss the remaining question answers. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.